Hi guys! Всем привет! And today we're going to continue learning numbers with examples, like always. So, if you didn't see the previous video, you may find it here. But if you've seen it, let's get started. And the first number, what we're going to learn today, 4. 4. 4 is 4. 4. 4. And the examples with the number 4. Сколько тебе лет? Сколько тебе лет? How old are you? Сколько тебе лет? How old are you? Мне 4 года. I'm 4 years old. Сколько тебе лет? Сколько тебе лет? Мне 4 года. How old are you? I'm 4 years old. And the second example. Сколько времени? What time is it? Сколько времени? What time is it? Сколько времени? 4 часа. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 часа. The second number for today is 5. 5. 5 is 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. So, the examples. У меня есть 5 причин делать это. I have 5 reasons to do it. У меня есть, I have 5 причин, 5 reasons to do it. Делать это. У меня есть 5 причин делать это. I have 5 reasons to do it. And the last number for today is 6. 6. 6 is 6. Я побывал в 6 странах. What means I have been to 6 countries. Я побывал, I have been в 6 странах, to 6 countries. Я побывал в 6 странах. I have been to 6 countries. And another one. Ей нравятся кошки. Do you remember the word кошка? If you remember this word, it's nice. It means you have seen already my videos. If you don't know the word кошка, I will leave video here and you may make yourself remember. Well, ей нравятся кошки. У нее есть 6 кошек. Probably she likes cats too much. Anyway, ей нравятся кошки. Ей нравятся кошки. She likes cats. Ей нравятся кошки. She likes cats. У нее есть 6 кошек. She has 6 cats. Thanks for watching RUSSIMPLITY. See you soon.